Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So I lost a bet, so Crystal asked me to do a recipe with mango. So I thought I would do a mango pineapple smoothie for you guys. So to start off, I have some frozen mango and pineapple chunks added to my blender. And then I have some plain Greek yogurt, or you could use a vanilla flavored one. And I am going to add that in. And then I have, to keep with this tropical theme, I have some almond coconut milk, or you could use regular coconut or really any milk you want. I opted for the unsweetened almond coconut milk today. And we are going to add some of that. Alright, so we will put our lid on our blender and blend it up. So if you've seen some of the previous smoothie recipes on this channel, then you'll know that I tend to like my smoothies to be on the sweeter side. So I did decide to add just a drizzle of honey to this smoothie and blended that in, and now we are ready for our glass. And it is a nice beautiful yellow color, look at that. And look at that smoothie. Refreshing. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. We'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye.